Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
Ma'am.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, all of you had your tea, snacks,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes, and you got energy to study one more time maths today?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Are you feeling boring?
Yes.
Are you feeling
No.
maths?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No. I have told you before, I think maybe in third standard, I told you, if you know math, you are a, yes?
You are a hero if you know math, right?
Yes?
You are a hero if you know math.
Yes, very good. I think many people are remembering. Yes? If you know math, you are a hero. If you don't know math, you are a
Zero.
hero. Very good.
Zero.
If you know math, you are like a hero.
Zero.
If you don't know math, you are like a
Zero.
hero. So I hope all are ready to study second time maths. No problem.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
getting 2 periods, 3 periods. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Now, Madhav, can you hear me now? Madhav,
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Madhav, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Just check.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
All the
can you hear
children,
me?
just check whether you are volume of your device. Some children told me that they cannot hear properly. Tania, where is Tania? Who is
Ma'am,
that?
can
Who
you
is
hear
that?
me?
Who is asking me, ma'am? Can you hear me? Who is that?
Ma'am,
Ayman. Ayman,
ma'am.
I can hear you.
Okay,
Yes?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, all
Cannot
the
hear you.
children, you have to, when you are joining, you have to check the volume of your device. Maybe some children are joining without the without connecting to the audio. Maybe that's the reason some say that audio is not clear. Yes. Now, how many of you can hear me properly, see me properly? Can you raise your hand? Can you raise your hand? Yes. Now I can see all the children. I can see most of them are. Isha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear
Yes,
you.
very good. So we are going to be real heroes. Yes, for the second time, we are going to study one more time maths and going to be more attentive. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, when I going to start the lesson, I will tell you to mute.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
children.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute
Okay, ma'am.
your
Okay, ma'am.
otherwise
Okay,
Okay,
it
ma'am.
will be
Okay,
a
ma'am.
disturbance. Many of you cannot hear properly. So when
okay,
the
ma'am.
ma'am is going to start the lesson, I will tell everybody to mute.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
when I ask
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
you
Okay,
your
ma'am.
name, that time you will unmute yourself and say me the answer. Okay, children?
Okay,
Fine?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now all are going to mute your audio, but unmute your video. Unmute your video. Mute. Children, please mute your audio.
Ma'am, we should unmute or mute.
Now you will mute.
Okay, ma'am.
And when I ask you question, you will unmute. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I will ask the person. Yes, that person will unmute and tell me, Gautam, can you hear me? Gautam, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Ah. Children, if you use headphone, the voice will be little more clear. So if you are not using headphone, you have to be little more louder. Okay. Gautam, can you say what is an angle?
The figure formed by
Yes, very good. The figure formed by,
two rays
yeah, two rays
sharing common
sharing a common initial point. Very
engaged
good.
point
Very
is
good.
called
Very good, Gautam. Now, Dia, Can you say one more time? What is an angle?
A
What is an
figure
angle?
formed by two rays
Yeah, the
sharing
figure
a common
formed by.
interpoint is called an angle.
Yes, very good. Clap for Gautam and Dia. Very good. They were listening everything properly. Yes, I told you, no. If you want to be heroes and heroines, you have to be very good in math. How you will be good in math? You have to attend carefully, understand the concepts clearly. So you know what is an angle, okay? And an angle is a figure formed by joining two rays sharing the common endpoint. Very good. Now, what is vertex?
The common initial point.
The common initial
Initial point of
point.
the
common initial point.
the
The
two
common
ray is
initial
called
point. Okay,
called
very
a
good.
vertex.
And we learned what is an what is
The two
two
rays
rays
The
of
two
called the
rays
two
arms
sharing angle.
of the
Okay.
angle.
The two rays are called
The arms of the angle.
Okay. Now, children, all of you have beautiful names. Okay. Beautiful names. All of you have beautiful names.
Yes.
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 Yes. Madhav, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Madhav.
Ma'am, he is unmuted. He is muted.
Madhav, unmute and say hello because you are not audible. That what. Okay. So all of you have beautiful names. Like that, we are going to name our angles. Okay. All of you.
Nidhi has learned.
The man was irritated. He reads the comic book. I wrote a letter. I know him.
Ma'am, it's English literature class.
So we have learned what is an angle. Angle is a figure formed by
By
joining two rays
two rays at
sharing
an
common initial point. Now we are going to name. Okay, we are going to
Okay,
name
ma'am.
angles.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now all the children, please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what is there on the screen now? What is there on the screen now?
Angles.
Angles are the written angles. Can you see any other thing on the board?
Yes,
One
ma'am. One
scale, ma'am.
scale.
That is a ruler. That is a ruler.
Scale.
Okay. Now this is a, what is this?
Angles.
Ray.
Can say what is this?
Ray.
Ray. Very good, children. Very good. When you study angles, don't forget what is a ray. Very good. Very good. So this is a ray. I am going to draw one more ray. Okay. Now, where is the angle formed inside? Yes. What is an angle? Yes. So you can see two rays joining at
Joining in
the
the
same
common
initial point.
point.
Initial point.
So I will give this O. What is that vertex called?
Oh.
O. And I will write here A.
P.
Okay, now
Ma'am,
yes.
can you hear me?
Now there is a ray on the board. Okay. Now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have
An angle.
this is O. Okay. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to name. I told you all of you have beautiful names like Tania, Andakrishnan, Fia. Yes, Angelina, all beautiful
Yes, ma'am.
names. We are going to name the angles. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
A.
okay. Yes.
B. Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can you?
C.
We have here OA one ray, OB
OB
another
one
ray, and
ray.
OC
OC.
another ray. Okay, Anandesh. Anandesh, where is Anandesh? Can you unmute yourself and say
Ma'am, can
one
you see
angle?
me?
Yes, where is Anandesh? Yes, Agne. Agne, look at the board and tell me an angle from the figure. Agne, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you identify can you say one? Okay, I will help. Now, we have A, O, B. Okay, now we are going to name an angle. And the symbol for angle is like this. Can you see? Can you see,
Yes,
everyone?
ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is called angle AOB. Okay, what is that angle called?
Okay.
Angle
Angle A O
AOB.
B.
Very good. Now,
Angle
Ammu,
A O B.
AOB. B. Now, Ammu, can you say another angle from the figure? Look at the board. Another angle from the board.
COA.
COA. Very good. Clap for Ammu. It's very good. Very good. Angle CO. What do you say? CO.
A.
A. Very good. COA.
A.
So we have AOB, AOC. Now I will get another one more angle from here to here. So what is that angle called? Angle
COB.
OB. Very good.
COB.
OB. This is the way we are going to name angles. Amna,
Okay, ma'am.
Amna, can you see the board? Amna Fatima, can you see the board? Okay, so we learned what is an angle. What is an angle?
Couldn't
An
hear
angle
you
is
properly.
a figure formed by joining two rays. Initial point. Very good. Common initial point. And the common initial point is called
Vertex.
yes, vertex. And
Vertex.
okay. Okay. Now all the children look at me. We learned what is an ankle. Ankle. How to measure an angle we were discussing in the last period. We are measuring the angle using protractor. Very good. Now, listen to me. Listen to me. The unit used to measure angle is called degree. Degree. Listen to me. Learn ankle. Now, how to measure the angle? Using a protractor. So you know protractor.
Yes,
How to
ma'am.
measure? Yes.
Yes.
Can you see this protractor in my hand?
Yes, ma'am.
And this protractor, we are measuring angles. And the unit used to measure the angle, that is called degree. What is that?
Degree.
D-E-G-R-E-E. Okay? D-E-G-R-E-E. Called degree. And how to measure the angle? Using a protractor. Yes? Now, how many have protractor with you? Show me now. How many have protractor with you now? Raise your protractor.
Gaudam.
Yes, Angelina, you have protractor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now I show you, there is a one sender. Can you see one sender inside sender? Can you see one sender?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And there is one baseline, horizontal line. That is called baseline. What is that? Down. There is a horizontal line.
Baseline. Baseline.
Baseline.
Mama, I can't hear you.
Yes.
Mama, I can't hear you.
Who is that saying, ma'am, I can't hear you? Can you say your name?
Angelina, ma'am.
Angelina, can you check your audio of your audio, join with audio? Is there, you are using computer?
No, ma'am, I am using phone. It is connected.
Audio is connected?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Now I can hear you, ma'am. Now I can hear you.
Now you can hear me. Always check the volume of your device, children. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And check whether it is connected to the audio. And what I'm showing is protractor. Yes. And what you observe your protractor and find out, is there any middle point over there? What is that called? What is that middle point called? Yeah, that is a center over there, that is vertex. And there is a horizontal line, that is baseline. And you can see the numbers from 0 to
180.
180. Very good. 0 to 180. And you can see one set of numbers starting from 0 to 180 in clockwise direction, and another one
anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise direction. Yes? Okay, very good. Now, after that we learned how to name an angle. How to name an angle?
By
Angle
AOB. And who is in the middle? Who is in the middle? Vertex. Who is in the middle?
Vertex.
Vertex. What is the vertex in our figure that we have drawn? Before? Oh, very good. So angle AOB, then
Angle AOC. Angle
Okay. Now, what you noticed? Are we using small letters or capital letters? Small letters or capital letters?
Capital letters.
Yes, very good. Very good, children.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, to name an angle, we can We can put any letters.
We can make any letters from
Okay,
any
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
alphabet. You can use any alphabets, but it should be
Capital. Okay, ma'am.
capital letters.
Capital. Okay,
Capital
ma'am.
letters. Yes. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, can you see me?
who is that asking me? Can you see me?
Tanya, ma'am.
I can see everyone. I can see.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Oh, there isn't clear, ma'am.
1 minute. I'm not talking now. Just a minute. Okay. Now, so children, we have learned what is that? Chapter 1, shapes. Okay. Ankles. Can you see what is chapter 1, shapes? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And now down. Sometimes it just
Okay. Now, now look at the board and what is an angle?
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Can you see the board?
No, ma'am. The board, ma'am. No,
Okay, 1
ma'am.
minute. Okay, okay. We will see now. 1 minute.
Pranav, your baby brother. Ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. 1 minute. Okay. I'm checking with the video, PPT.
Hello, dear.
Want this one. Okay. Now, children, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So, what is an angle?
ma'am.
The figure called an angle. Okay. The common point, that is the initial point, is called a vertex. Yes.
Yes,
The arms, we can see here, 2 arms of the angle. Now, what we learn now? Yes, I told you.
measure the angle.
That we will do now later. First, we are doing naming the angle. Yes, always we are using capital letters. Okay. Now, Rohit, can you say what is the vertex over here? Vertex. Unmute yourself and say.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Ma'am,
Oh, very good, very good. Yes, very good. So, O is the vertex. And I told you how to name. We will use the symbol like this A. Not this is the symbol. Now we will name how A will come inside. Vertex A O
O
B. Very good. A O B.
Angle
Angle
AOB.
A O
AOB.
B. Yes. Now,
Angle A.
children, this is the baseline. I show you in the protractor. Protractor.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a one baseline. Baseline. And there is
Yes,
a vertex center of the center. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now we will place the center in the vertex. Place the center on the vertex. Okay. Now, okay. So if I am giving another letter over here, it is P. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
this one.
Ma'am, I can see.
Ma'am, I can see.
Okay, okay. Now I'm doing again another angle I'm going to show, and you have to tell me the names. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, I can see the board.
who say, ma'am, I cannot see the board. Who was that?
Ma'am, hello.
Can you see now?
No.
No? Who is that? Tell me your name.
Alok.
Alok.
Huh?
Alok.
Alok.
Alok. Is this your video is on? Alok, check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, who cannot see? Only Alok? Is there any? Those who are
Ma'am,
seeing the
that
video,
is a
can you
nice
raise your hand? Can you raise your hand?
What, ma'am?
Those who can see the board, raise your hand.
Ma'am, I can see.
Yes, only Alok. Alok, check your video.
Ma'am, I can't see anything.
Who is that?
Hello.
Alok.
Alok. Only Alok. Okay, now Rohit, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes? Okay, can you say an ankle? Ankle name. Ankle name? Yes?
QR.
P Q R. Very good. P Q R. And what is
Angle.
R? Angle
Angle.
P
R.
R. Very good. Yes. Now you learn how to name the angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You know, all the things in the nature have names like ammonia, like animals, plants. Now, like that we are naming our angles.
Angle.
Only thing you have to be careful. We will use capital letters, and instead of writing, this is the ankle, and we will use the symbol like this, and we will make the vertex in the middle. Okay, children, understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are revising what we have learned today. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
we learned
How to
what is
name
an
the
ankle.
how to name an angle? How to measure the angle?
That we will learn. Now it's the time to end the meeting. So we will revise what we learned. Okay, and I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. I hope all
Okay,
the
ma'am.
children show me in the last period that you have written all the notes very good. Now measuring we will learn. But now today what we learned, how to name an angle, how to measure an angle, How we will measure an angle with what?
Ma'am, with the protractor.
Protractor. Very good. Protractor. Then, what is the unit of angle? Very good. So that's all for today. We learned what is an angle, how to measure an angle using the measurement instrument is protractor, and degree is the unit used to measure angle. And how to name an angle? We will use capital letters and the text will be in the middle. Okay? Understood? Okay, ma'am. Tomorrow, those who don't have protractor today, be ready with your protractor and we will study more. We will send the schedule. And then you'll see whenever math is there, be ready with your protractor. Okay? Okay. Now, do you understood all the things what we learned today?
Yes, ma'am.
We learned very simple
Yes,
math.
ma'am.
Angle. And
Yes,
I told you,
And
example
let's
from
name angle.
nature. What is an example for nature? An example for
Ma'am,
ankle.
corners of
Corners of your room, corners of your bus, wiper,
corners of the table.
corners of the table. Very good.
Corners of the mobile phone.
Very good, children. Very good. So I hope all of you understood ankle. Okay, now it's the time to end the meeting. Okay, children. Have a nice day. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are not. Okay, B.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.